Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Today our topic is exponents and powers. Okay, exercise 13.2 class 7. Before previous videos links, I will give the link in iCards and description also. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Okay, these numbers we have to write in expanded form. How to write? First take this number. Okay, take this number 279,404 is equal to, write 2 into, after 2 how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So write 5 zeros number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Already you know that. Okay, write 1 and 5 zeros, and again write plus. Okay, and again take 7 into, after 7 4 numbers, so write 4 zeros number. 1 2 3 4. Okay, again write plus. Okay, and take 9 into, after 9 3 numbers, so write 3 zeros. 1, write 3 zeros. Okay, plus, again take 4 into 2 zeros number, 1 0 0. Okay, again write plus. 0 into, after 0 1 number, so write 10 plus 4 after 4 there is no number, so write into 10 power 0, there is no number. So, okay, I will tell you. Okay na, afterwards. Okay, till here you know that how to write this number in expanded form, you know that, but you have to write in expanded form, exponential form. Okay, how to write in exponential form? See, this is, you write in exponential form. See, 2 into, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so write 10 to the power of 5. Okay, this is write in 10 to the power of 5. See, 1 is equal to 10 to the power of 0. 10 is equal to 10 to the power of 1. 100 is equal to 10 to the power of 2. 10 square. This is okay. 100, 2 zeros into 10 square. 3 zeros, 10 cube. Okay, 4 zeros, 10 power 4. 5 zeros, 10 power 5. Like that. Okay, till 1000 zeros means 10 power 1000, like. Okay, and infinite. So write here 2 into 10 power 5 plus 7 into, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So 10 power 4. Okay, write plus. Write this symbol plus. Again write 9 into 10 power 3, that means 10 cube. Okay, plus 4 into 10 square, there is 100, so 2 zeros, so 10 square. Okay, write plus 0 here. Here what? 0 into 10 means 0 with will multiply with 0, we will get any number. Multiply with 0 with any number, we will get the 0. So write 0 into 10 0 plus, here 10 to the 4 into, here there is no number means 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. See here, 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Remember. Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 100 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. I explained in previous classes. Okay, please check the link. Okay, that is. Okay, right? Now write, this is the exponential form of given number. Okay, yeah, this is the exponential form of given number. Okay, and take another number 3006194. Okay, take this number, write in expanded form, in exponential form. You have to write in exponential form. So write 3 into, okay, the symbol, you already know these rules. 3 into, how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So write 1 5 zeros. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Again plus, take this 0. Okay, into, after 0 there is 1 No need to write these numbers, but you will confuse, no? That is why I am writing, okay? So 1 0, after 0 how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5. So write 5 zeros, 3 4 5, plus again take this 0 into 4 numbers, after 4 numbers. So write 4 numbers, plus take 6 into 3 numbers. So write 1 000. Okay, again write here, plus 1 into 2 zeros, after 1 2 numbers. So write 1 0 0, plus 9 into, after 1 there is a 1 number. So write 10, plus 4 into, there is no number. So write 1, 4 into 1, write 4 into 1. Here also you can write 4 into 1. Okay, right. So this is equal to, so I have written 4 into 1 means 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we have to write in exponential form. So I have written 1. Okay, here 3 into 10 to the power of how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. So write 10 to the power of 5. Okay, write plus. Okay, 0 into any number, 0, plus again 0 into any number, we will get 0, plus. Okay, here 6 into 10 to the power of 3, that is 10 cube, plus 1 into 10 square. Okay, plus 9 into 1. Okay, plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0, that is 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So I have written 10 to the power of 0. So write final standard form, 3 into 10 to the power of 5, okay, plus 0 0, adding any number we will get the same number. So write, remove this number, and again plus 6 into 10 cube. Okay, plus 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, here 6. Okay, 5 zeros, so 10 to the power of 6 here. Okay, so write here 10 to the power of 6 plus 6 into 10 cube, plus 1 into 10 square means 10 square. Okay, plus 9 into 10, plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0, that is whatever. This is the exponential form, okay, of this number. Expanded form of exponential form in expanded form of given number. Okay, you have to write this. You have to write like this, expanded forms of given numbers. Okay, find the number from each of the following expanded forms. Okay, find the number from each of the following expanded forms. Okay, these are in expanded forms. Okay, these are in expanded forms. So write in number. Okay, so write, see, 10 to the power of 4, 10 cube, see 10 square, 10 to the power of what? 10 to the power of 0. These are in, okay, 10 to the power of, okay, this is the correct number. See, right? 8, 10 to the power of, after 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 10 cube should be there. Okay, and also 0. See, 10 to the power of 4 undi ikkada, power 4 undi ikkada, to the power of 3 undali, 3 tarvata 2, 2 tarvata 1, 0. Okay, like that, increase, that should be, number should be decrease. Okay, so write 8 into 10 to the power of 4 undi kabatti, so write after 6. Okay, that is, and also 0, and also 4. Okay, so 5 in, that is, what is the number? 86,045. Okay, this is the required value. See here, second one. write the number given the given expanded form. See, 3 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 7 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0. See here, 10 to the power of 0, there should be 10 cube, but there is 10 square. So here 0, in between 3 and 7 there should be 0. Okay, 3 ki 7 ki madhya oka 0 undali. Okay, and also 10 square, after 10 square 10 to the power of 1 undali, but also here 10 to the power of 1. Okay, and also 10 to the power of 0. See, I will write 3 into, first write in expanded form also, 10 to the power of 4 plus 0. Why? Because here 10 cube, ఇక్కడ 10 cube ఉండాలి కానీ 10 square ఉంది కాబట్టి రైట్ 0. ఓకే, ప్లస్ 7 into 10 square. ఓకే ఓకే, 0 into 10 cube you write. Okay, multiply with 0, we will get the 0 now. So write 10 cube. Okay, after 10 power 4, 10 cube plus again 7 into 10 square. Okay, plus 5 into, there is no 10, so write no exponent, so write 10 to the power of 1. Clear? 10 to the power of, sorry, 5 into, okay, right. See here, 10 to the power of 1 should be this. There is no number, so write here 10 in 0 into 10 to the power of 1. Okay, clear? Multiply with 0, we will get 0. So write plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0. Okay, now these exponents are in order. Okay, see, 10 to the power of 4, 10 cube, 10 square, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 0. Okay, now write in number. See, 3, 0, again 7, 0 and 5. Okay, what is the number here? 30,705, our required form. Okay, like that. Question number 3, express the following numbers in standard form. Okay, these numbers you have to write in standard form. Okay, express the following numbers in standard form. Means manam em cheyali, something, there is number x into 10 to the power of 5, like, okay, 5 into 10 to the power of 10, like that you have to write. These are the standard forms. Okay, now you write, this is the నార్మల్ ఫామ్. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్. అంటే మనకి ఇది చదవడానికి మనకి ఎట్లా, వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, okay, like crore, like that. Okay, 5 crores, this is the 5 crores. Once, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 5 lakh, 5 crore you have to read that. అది చూడగానే మనం చెప్పలేమన్నమాట, అంతా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, 1s, 10s అని చూసుకోవాలి. బట్ హియర్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ అంటే 5 into 10 అంటే సపోజ్ మనం సింపుల్గా చెప్పేసి చూడగానే చెప్పచ్చు. సో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ పర్పస్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ అండ్ పవర్స్. సో రైట్ ఇన్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్. హియర్ హౌ టు రైట్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్? 5. Write 5 into, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 10 raised to the power 7 or 10 to the power of 7. This is the standard form. Then you can simply read 5 into 10 to the power of 7, 10, otherwise 5 into 10 raised to the power 7, like you can tell. So this is the standard form of this number. Okay, and also write standard form of another number. See, can you read this number? Okay, again you have to read 1s, 10s, like that you have to read. So write, first you have to change in standard form. So write 3, 1, 8. First write all numbers, 3, 1, 8, 6, 5. Okay, write all numbers. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir. So write 10 to the power of 5. Clear? This is also, you have to read 1s, 10s, like that. 31,865 into 10 to the power of 5 you have to read. But this is also you have to change in standard form. See, is equal to 3, 1, 8, 6, 5 into, I am taking 4 digit number. Okay, see, 5 digit number, 4 zeros ఉన్న నెంబర్ నేను తీసుకున్నాను. ఓకే, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, by divided by 1, 4 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, I have written like this. Have any doubt? See, 10 by 10 is equal to 1. Okay, 100 by 100 is equal to 1. Okay, 1000 by 1000 also 1. 10,000 by 10,000 also 1. So multiply with 1, we will get the same number. So నేను ఇట్లా రాయడం వల్ల ఈ నెంబరే మనకు పైన ఉన్న నెంబరే వస్తుంది. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటర్న్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, ఫర్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లో చేంజ్ చేయడం గురించి నేను ఇట్లా రాశాను. ఓకే, సో రైట్ సి దిస్ ఈ డినామినేటర్. ఓకే, 10,000 ఇన్ డినామినేటర్. సో ఇది పైకి వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది, మైనస్ అవుతుంది. సో ఓకే, సి 31865 ఇంటూ 10,000 ఇంటూ 10 to the power of 5 ఇంటూ ఈ 4 zeros పైకి వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఓకే 10 to the power of -4 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇది సి రైట్, ఐ విల్ రైట్ వన్ మోర్ స్టెప్. సి 31865. ఓకే, క్లియర్. అండ్ 10 to the power ఇక్కడ వరకు అయితే ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు కదా. ఇది పోతే మళ్ళీ 1 ఉంటుంది కదా, 1తో నేను మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే అదే నెంబర్ వచ్చింది. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటర్న్ లైక్ దిస్ ఫర్ standard form. Okay, again write in exponential form. 10 to the power of 4 this is. Okay, there is 4 zeros. So 10 to the power of 4 by 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, clear. And ఈ న్యూమరేటర్, ఈ డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్న ఫామ్ వచ్చి ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్లోకి వెళ్తే ఇది 1 by minus suppose 1 by a to the power of 1 is equal to a to the power of -1. ఈ డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్న ఫామ్ ఇక్కడికి వస్తే మైనస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 31865 ఇంటూ 10 power 4 ఇంటూ ఓకే అగైన్ 10 to the power of -4 ఇంటూ 10 to the power of 5 I have written. ఓకే, ఈ డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్న 10 to the power of 5ని నేను న్యూమరేటర్లోకి తెచ్చుకున్నాను. సో మైనస్ అయింది, ఇక్కడ +4 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ -4 అయింది. ఓకే, నౌ రైట్ ఈ మైనస్ వాల్యూస్ ఇక్కడికి వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ సి దిస్ నంబర్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, 3.1865 4 digit ముందుకు వెళ్తుంది. సో రైట్ 3.165 ఇంటూ 10 to the power of 4 10 to the power of 5. So 10 to the power of 9. This is our required form. Okay, so now you read 3.1865 into 10 to the power of 9 is the standard form of this number. Okay, see one more example. 390,878. Okay, see same as it is, this is also same. Write in standard form. Okay, 3, there is how many digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. So write 390,878 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5. So write 10 to the power of 5 by 10 to the power of 5 you write. Okay, now you write 390,878 into 10 to the power of 5 into ఈ కింద ఉన్న ఈ డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్న 10 to the power of 5 న్యూమరేటర్కి వస్తే -5 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, +5 10 to the power of +5 -5 అవుతుంది. క్లియర్. ఓకే, సో రైట్ -5. సో మైనస్ ఆఫ్టర్ 5 digits ముందు మనం పాయింట్ డెసిమల్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, సో 1 2 3 4 5. సో రైట్ హియర్ 3 పాయింట్. ఓకే, 3.90878. ఓకే, క్లియర్. into 10 to the power of 5 is our required form. Okay, you have to write like this. Fourth question, express the numbers appearing in the following statements in the standard form. Okay, write these numbers in standard forms. Write these numbers in standard forms again. See, diameter of the earth is, see how to read this one, 1 crore, suppose ones, tens, hundreds, like you have to write. Okay, diameter of the earth is, you have to write in standard form. 1 See, write 1, 27, 56, triple zeros. Okay. Now write this is ones, tens, hundreds, 1 crore 27 lakh 56,000. This is a, okay, 1 crore 27 lakh 56,000 you have to write. So write first 1, 2, 7 into 5, 6 into 10 to the power of how many zeros are there? So 10 cube. Okay. Now also you have to write in decimal form. This is, and also take 4 numbers. So write 1, 2, 7, 5, 6 into 10 to the power of 4 by 10 to the power of 4 into 10 cube. Okay. So if you 10 to the power of 4 by 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 1. No? If you divide just okay. So 1 to so it becomes minus 4. Okay. So write 1, 2, 7, 5, 6 into 10 minus 4 into, okay, then పైకి తీసుకొచ్చారు. So minus 4 అవుతుంది, plus 4 minus 4. So 10 to the power of 4 into 10 cube is equal to, after before 4 zeros you have to put the decimal. So write 1.27 minus 4. So 2756 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 7. This is the standard form. Speed of light in vacuum is, okay, 300 lakhs. Okay. So write 300. This is in international form. Write, okay, write 3 into, after 3 how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power of 8. This is the standard form simply. Okay. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 is the required form here also.